It is 3 a.m. The world is quiet, and you're in the stillness of your mind. This is a time to look within and find clarity in your intentions. Before you begin, center yourself. What do you envision for your life? How do you see yourself achieving these goals? Breathe, relax, and embrace every moment. Focus on your intentions. Are you a writer, an artist, a leader at heart? Embrace your dreams, visualize them, and imagine your future self. Manifest your dreams. How do you move from where you are to where you want to be? Bridge the gap with persistence and belief. Speak your desires aloud. Proclaim them to the universe with unwavering faith. I am capable. I am strong. I am ready. Express your gratitude. Pair your intentions with gratitude and let your heart uplift as you list your blessings. Anna softly says, I am capable. I am strong. I am ready. Visualize your success. Picture the universe conspiring in your favor and bring your visions to life. As the first light of dawn breaks through, know that you are exactly where you need to be. Your clarity is the dawn of your new day. With each step, take in the peace around you. Let the new day bring new opportunities for your vision to unfold. I am one with my surroundings. I am one with my journey, Anna said, serene. In this moment, Anna finds solace in her senses, grounding herself. Release your thoughts onto paper. Write daily to cement your visions, and let clarity guide your path. Today is a new day, and I am eager to embrace it with hope and happiness, Anna said with optimism. Stand up for each moment of your life. Turn struggles into achievements, with your mind being a sanctuary to the most creative solutions. I am determined to overcome challenges, to step confidently into growth, and to embrace change, Anna said, with determination. Every step forward is written by a determined hand. Every goal climbed is a testament to your inner strength. With each step, I become better, and I discover new potentials within myself, Anna said, reflectively. Turn to knowledge for vision and let wisdom fuel your actions. Doubt destroys dreams. Instead, focus on seeking and discovering. I become wiser as I continue my journey and bravely step into new experiences, Anna said, sounding content. Just as courage takes one step closer to destiny, learn daily through your experiences. Each day, each challenge shapes who you are. As the sun sets, I choose to learn from every day and to grow with purpose, Anna said, determined. Every moment is an opportunity for inspiration. It teaches and moves us forward. This is the place where dreams meet reality. Within this space, I find freedom and joy as my creativity blossoms, Anna said, fulfilled. Build a strong bond with life, and with each new dawn, your horizon will expand. Seek enlightenment and nurture your heart's desires. Together with hope and vision, I step forward, embracing the possibilities that life brings, Anna said resolutely.